Welcome here to the house gifts. This is the engine room.
Oh boy.
Spider. Spider.
Where? I really don't want to go down there. This is a spider.
There.
Oh, we're not going to go down there. It's a spider.
No, it's right there. But
Okay.
let's just go down.
You go
Come
down
on.
there. No, I'm not doing that. They'll land on my head.
No, it won't. We promise it won't, man. It's interesting. Plus, Grandpa killed it.
I killed it.
Okay.
Grandpa and Grandma, you can go down.
It is. Yep.
Let's go down. Guys, we can go down deeper. Guys, we can go down deeper. Guys, we can. Grandma, we can go down deeper. Okay.
Stay right there.
Grandma just took a picture of me. Wait, you can turn these. You can turn these. Guys, let's go deeper. Can't get down. I'm sorry, guys, but so wait. This is. Wait. If we control this, will the ship actually move? Okay. Now, thank you for watching, and bye.